Hello, James here from bargainboater.com. We've been working behind the scenes to redesign our website and bring you the parts and accessories you need to keep your outboard in top condition without breaking the bank. So, the next website addition we're currently building is a service kit selection for Yamaha and Evinrude that enables you to not have to eat a prefabricated kit with parts you may or may not need. Taking into consideration that our experience and access to information may cause us to build kits in a way that doesn't fully address what you need as a do-it-yourself boat owner, we'd like to ask for input on what your frustrations are when trying to collect parts and information to do your own service. If you could take a few moments and describe your friction points in the comments below, we'd like to address them when making our kit offerings to enable you to quickly and easily access the information and parts you need for the service that's currently due on your motor. No more, no less. We are very excited about bringing this new website online. We're building sections and activating them on the site in increments, so stay with us and let us know if you'd like to see something on there that would help you with your boating needs. Thank you for taking the time to check in with us here at Bargain Boater. We're looking forward to meeting your outboard motor parts needs and getting you back out there on the water.